You're sitting around with your friends, watching the game and having some beers. While you get up to go get some more chips, you come back and see your teenager has grabbed your beer and is chugging. Uh-oh. Fear grips you because you're certain that you just committed a crime by providing alcohol to a minor. Well, rest assured, it isn't illegal for your minor child to drink, at least not under these circumstances. According to the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Code, it is illegal for a minor to possess alcohol. It is also illegal for a minor to consume alcohol. The penalties for possession and consumption of alcohol by a minor are actually quite stiff. Possession and consumption is a Class C misdemeanor, which can include a fine of up to $500, mandatory community service, mandatory alcohol awareness program, and automatic suspension of the minor's driver's license. Or, if the minor hasn't yet received their license, then their license may be delayed up to 6 months. If the minor isn't a child and has 2 prior convictions, then there is a fine from $250 to $2,000 and up to 6 months confinement on top of all of the other penalties. Quick plug, make sure to like this video so that way YouTube will show it to more viewers like you. Thanks. Although it is still an offense for a child to consume alcohol, there is an affirmative defense to prosecution if it is done in the visible presence of the minor's adult parent, spouse, or guardian. The same goes for possession of alcohol. Because you're very observant, you're probably wondering what the consequences are for providing alcohol to a minor. Well, that is a Class A misdemeanor, which means up to 1 year in jail and up to a $4,000 fine. However, a person may purchase or furnish alcohol to a minor if the person is the minor's parent, spouse, or guardian and is in their visible presence when the minor consumes it. Since we're talking about underage drinking, you should know that there is also a law that prevents prosecution of minors who possess or consume alcohol if they request emergency medical attention for possible alcohol poisoning, whether it's for themselves or another, as long as they remain on the scene and cooperate with law enforcement. There's also a law that prevents prosecution if that minor is reporting a sexual assault of themselves or someone else. These laws might seem a bit odd, but they were put into place in order to promote the reporting of a danger to the minors, even though the minors may have been breaking the law by drinking. Just because providing alcohol to your minor child is legal doesn't make it a good idea. Also, just because I'm informing the public about their legal rights doesn't mean that I condone it. The law is the law, and these are the laws of our beloved state of Texas. From all of us here at Matthew Harris Law, we appreciate you watching and sharing this video with your circle of friends.